In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete your Facebook profile picture. You can simply remove your profile picture on Facebook in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Facebook. On the menu page, tap right here to head into your profile. If you tap on the camera icon, you won't see the option of delete profile picture. Just head to any browser and search for Facebook profile picture PNG. Just like this photo right here. Save it to your gallery and then get back to your Facebook. Tap right here to change your profile picture. Select your saved PNG and tap on Save to get updated. That will exactly look like you deleted or have no profile picture on Facebook. That's how easy it is to delete your Facebook profile picture. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.